Oh hey, I filmed a what I eat in a week just to show you guys what I'm eating on a daily basis these days, and you'll see that I kind of eat a lot of the same things every day. So if you want to see what I eat in a week, then keep on watching. Woo!
When you were playing that record, what were you thinking?
Okay, so I have some pineapple, some coconut flakes, cacao nibs, and that. My hair though, yikes. Little omega-3 mix I showed you guys in the video, in the clip I mean, and just a white nectarine because stone fruits are in season right now and it's my favorite time of the year. So yeah, and that's breakfast. Oh hi, I may or may not have almost forgotten to film my lunch before I started eating, but good thing I remembered. So here is what I am having for lunch. Did I overdo with the veggies? Maybe, I'm not sure. So in here I have some almond butter noodles that I made yesterday, just leftovers. I have bean sprouts, I have some Thai eggplants, a lot of lettuce, cucumber, tofu, and sriracha, and with a little bit of lime. It looks crazy here, but I swear it's so freaking good. But yeah, maybe I need to find a new location to film where I'm eating, but this is obviously my dining room table, so it's where I eat. But yeah, see ya at dinner. For dinner, I am having sauteed bok choy, air fried tofu, some vegan nuggets, white rice, and miso soup. Variety. Hi! It's Tuesday now, and I just finished making some lunch, just finished my workout. I will do a little B shot or just like a clip of what I ate, but it's just basically like a mismatch of a ton of healthy things. So yeah, I will show you guys. Oh, that's cute, but I don't want to refilm this, so she's staying. Sarah, her name is Sarah. Y'all, so this is my little plate thing. So here I have some kimchi, some gochujang, so it's like Korean pepper paste, some Thai eggplants. I don't know if you guys ever heard of that, but they're super good. Used to eat that a lot when I was younger. Some cucumber, some green leaf lettuce, and I also have some brown rice with air fried tofu. And yeah, that is lunch. I also just added a side of miso soup as well because I'm super hungry today. Okay, so for for dinner, I am going to have my noodle bowl. You guys have seen this on my channel before. So it's just noodles, some bean sprouts, cucumber, and a ton of herbs like Thai basil and mint. And I did some Beyond crumbles and put on top the daikon and radish. And obviously I also put on my vegan fish sauce, which you would have seen the recipe for in my last video. So go ahead and check that out. But tonight is my husband's birthday, so this is his favorite dish, so I made it for us. But yeah, here it is. Is this not the face of someone that's super excited? We are So for lunch, I am having another mishmash type of thing. I have leftover noodles from the other day, some white rice, some tofu, and a ton of different veggies. So yeah, that is lunch. Better together. The world needs more love. Y'all, I am hungry today, so I'm just having a little snack. Just having some chickpea chips with bitchin' sauce and some of the Forager sour cream. Best vegan sour cream out there. For dinner, I got the Chipotle veggie bowl. Pro tip, it actually comes with free guac. French toast and fruit again. Hi. So for lunch on this day, I am just having some ramen, some packaged vegan ramen, ton of Vietnamese herbs, some lettuce, some dumplings, and some tofu. But yeah, this is what I was craving, even if it's 100 degrees outside. Having some cold watermelon for a snack, with chopsticks, of course. Wow, this is quite the angle. So it's dinner time now, and I'm just gonna make a little mishmash of vegetables and rice, but I'm really craving TVP, so I'm gonna make like a little TVP thing, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. So for dinner, I'm having some TVP sauteed with mushrooms, green onion, soy sauce. But yeah, and then some brown rice. I have some Thai eggplants because I'm having a moment with those right now apparently. Some cucumber and some mixed greens and a little bit of mint. But yeah, that is dinner. Happy Friday! On this morning, I had some watermelon and blueberries for breakfast. Hi. So it's Friday, and I'm gonna have a little snack because it's Friday. And okay, it's not like a cheat day or anything, but usually on Fridays, I just always feel like having a little special snack. So I have made Liv B's queso dip, and y'all, I'm not even kidding, this is like the 5th time that I've made this dip, and it's fucking delicious. I will link it below, but I'm sure you already know, Live B. Yes, so good. I'm gonna eat this with some tortilla chips. I'm not even gonna sit down to eat it. Just literally dipping it in from the pan and shoving it. All right, see you at dinner. So this is dinner. I just have some flat rice noodles and some salad. And if you think you've seen this meal before, you have, but that's all I want to eat right now. So don't come at me. Okay, bye. So this morning, it's Saturday morning, I am just having a little Kourtney Kardashian avocado smoothie. Didn't believe in these before, but started making them a few months ago and love them. So here is my lunch. You guys have 100% seen this before. Just brown rice, a TVP mushroom mixture, some Thai eggplants, the last of them, so I'm pretty sad. Some cucumbers, lettuce, and I also have a side of miso soup and some kimchi. And there's Pablo being a nuisance. Excuse me, tacos, okay? So this is my dinner for Saturday night. Just made some refried kidney beans, have some sour cream, Pablo, excuse me, some sour cream, some green sauce, and a big old salad. Can't wait. We went hiking on this day, so I just made myself the Kourtney K avocado smoothie. For dinner, I made some red curry, served it over rice with cucumbers and onions, and a big salad with some lime. And it was so good, especially after a long day of hiking. Oh, so it's the last day of my what I eat in a week, and I just made a green smoothie that has strawberries, bananas, some protein powder, and spinach, barley grass powder. But yeah, this is what I'm having. It's a little bit small. Didn't mean to make it this small, but I'm gonna have this, and if I get hungry in a little bit, I'll eat again. Same meal, different day. And lunchtime. Excuse me, I am so fucking stoked for this dinner, and this is the last dinner of what I eat in a week, but I just made some Beyond Burgers with Follow Your Heart cheese, some potato wedges, and of course I'm having a salad, and I made some like vegan ranch dressing, and I have some homemade hot sauce, some ketchup, and some barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. I actually had so much fun filming everything that I was eating. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you like, please like this video and subscribe if you want to. It's your body, you do what you want. I'm not gonna tell you what to do, but yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.